Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am.
Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. Yes, and someone asked me the portion which I have not completed. I have sent the video. Have you seen yesterday? I hope everyone have completed that one. Okay, children. Now, before the grand test, we have completed our lesson 8. Yes? Yes. Now we are going to do the lesson number 9. What is the lesson number 9, children? Take out everyone page number 12 from your textbooks. See, the art of cooking. What is it? The art of cooking. You are all thinking, the art of cooking. Ma'am, in cooking also there will be art. Yes. See how they are preparing, what are the ingredients, they are mixing it correctly or not. Everything it will be under that only. Yes, children. Before entering into our lesson, what we will do every day, every time? Yes. Listen and say aloud. Listen and say aloud. Words with silent K. Here the words with silent K. When we are writing in the word, in word, we are writing K letter, then the K letter will be silent in sometimes. Yes, that we will are pronouncing now. K-N-E-E. Knee. How we will pronounce this word, children? Knee we will pronounce. Knee we will not pronounce now, but we will write K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Listen carefully and pronounce after me. Next, no. K-N-O-W, no. We are pronouncing no for this. Yes, K is silent. Now, the word with silent L. The word with silent L. Walk. Say, children, the L is silent. Okay, we are telling how walk. W-A-L-K, walk we will tell. No, we are telling here walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Once again, W-A-L-K, walk. Next, H-A-L-F, half. H-A-L-F, half. Here L is silent and the word with silent T. Listen. Here T is silent, children. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. T is silent. Often. O-F-T-E-N. But here T is silent. Often. Listen. Often. Words with silent W. See here. Now I will ask you question means what you will tell? Answer. Yes. What is the spelling of answer? A-N-S-W-E-R. A-N-S-W-E-R. But here we are not pronouncing the W. We are pronouncing like answer because the W is silent. Okay, children. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Here W is silent. Now, sword. S-W-O-R-D. But when you are pronouncing, how you will pronounce? You will pronounce sword. You will pronounce sword. Sword. You will pronounce sword. The S-W-O-R-D. Sword. Understood, children? These are the listen and say aloud words. Once again, we will read. Listen carefully and say it loudly, children. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-O-W, no. K-N-O-W, no. These are the silent K words. Words with silent L. W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. H-A-L-F, half. H-A-L-F, half. Words with silent T. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. O-F-T-E-N. Often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Words with silent W. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Sword. S-W-O-R-D. S-W-O-R-D. Sword. Okay, children. Write this in your homework book. Okay. Now, what do you do when you are hungry? What do you do when you are hungry, children? I hope everyone will ask your mother, Mom, I want this. Mom, I want Maggie. I want this. Yes, some children will tell, I'm hungry, but I don't want the rice. I want any snack, biscuits like this you'll be asking. Yes? See, have you ever cooked? Name the dish and share your experience of cooking it. Tell me, have you ever cooked means write it there. Okay? And tell what type of food you have cooked. Okay, children? Now we are going to read. Let us read and learn how to make a healthy and delicious snack that you can have when you are hungry. See, children, now we are going to learn a healthy and delicious snack which we are going to do. Okay, children? Now, see here. Everyone take out your page number, listen carefully and understand the lesson. Okay, children? Cooking is an art. We just need to get the right mix of ingredients to make a delicious dish out of them. Here, cooking is an art. What we have to do, we just need to get the right mix. Right mix means what? The ingredients, the items which we are needed, that they should be in the right mix. Okay. To make a delicious dish out of them. Cooking is a lesson in patience. See your children, patience. 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 Patience means you should wait. Okay, waiting. And creativity. Creativity means different thoughts. At the same time, cooking is so much fun. We can pick up raw materials and follow the given instructions. Here, we can pick up the raw materials. Raw materials means what? Uncooked things. Means the vegetables or any fruit, the vegetables, okay. The uncooked vegetables we are taking and we are preparing. By following some instructions we are doing means it is very good, delicious taste it comes. Okay, children. Or we can see what the kitchen has in the store and come up with a recipe of our own. See, or else which are there in our kitchen, the items, the vegetables, whatever it may be. By that also we can prepare a new recipe. Either way, cooking always develops one's taste for different kinds of dishes. See, cooking always develops a different taste. Different kinds of food dishes will have different kinds of taste. See, children, now your mother prepared dal. Okay, think. Or your mother prepared some pasta. And your friend's mother also prepared pasta. Same pasta, everything is same. But the taste will be different. Yes, children. Your mother prepared taste will be different and your friend's mother prepared taste will be different. Okay, children. Means what? The recipe will changes. But the item is same. Thing is same. The dish is same. But your mother prepares in one type and her or his mother will prepare in another type. Okay, children. Like this. Now, today let us learn a simple recipe for an evening snack. Okay, children. Jal muri. Jal muri is a very popular dish in the eastern states of India. You can commonly first find street vendors selling it. Here vendors. What it is? VENDORS. 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 Vendors means what? The who will be selling in the streets, no? They are called as vendors. It is also prepared at home as an evening snack. Jal means hot or spicy. And muri is puffed rice. Here is how you can make it at home. Here we are going to learn now how we can make it jal muri in our home. What we needed first, see. 2 cups of puffed rice. Ingredients. What it is, children? Ingredient means the items which we needed to cook anything. Okay, children. 2 cups of puffed rice. 2 cups of puffed rice. Puffed rice means what, children? In Telugu, we will tell as muramura. Okay, muramuralu. You will tell now. That is puffed rice. Here, what you want? 3 onions. 3 onions. And 2 tomatoes. 1 carrot. 2 green chilies and fresh coconut. Okay, children. Now, after that, what you want? 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. A pinch of red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And salt to taste. A handful of save mix. A few sprigs of coriander. Sprigs of coriander means the small stems. The coriander stems will be there, not that one. 1 lemon and black salt to taste. These are the ingredients we need. Okay, children. Today, after listening this, you will all will ask your mother to do this. Or you will only do. I hope everyone will do yourself. Okay, children. Now, what is the process? Process means what we should do, how we should do. Okay, children. Now see. With the help of an older person in your house, chop the onions, tomatoes, carrot, coconut flesh and green chilies into tiny pieces. What you should do, the ingredients, whatever we have taken, the vegetables and the coconut, they all we should chop it. With the small pieces you should chop. Take 2 cups of puffed rice in a mixing bowl. Take 1 bowl and 2 cups of puffed rice, put it in that and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix it well. Put the oil and mix it well. Now add the chopped vegetables to the bowl and stir the mixture. add the chopped vegetables. What we have added, children? Chopped onions, tomatoes, carrots, green chili and fresh coconut. We all will put it in the bowl, and what you will do? You will do stirring. Stirring means mixing. Okay, then sprinkle pinches of red chili powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. Sprinkle means what, children? To put it on that. This is called as sprinkle. Okay, children. Now, what you will do? Sprinkle the pinch of red chili powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. Without salt, nothing is there. Yes, children. Next, stir the mixture again. Again you stir it. Means mixing it. Then take smaller balls and transfer the mixture into them. Garnish it with save mix, lemon juice, black salt and coriander leaves. Understood, children? Now what you should do? What it is, children? Take the save we are having now. Take and garnish it. Switch the lemon juice there. Lemon you switch it. Means you can put the lemon juice, black salt and coriander leaves. Yeah. Jalmuri is ready to be served and enjoyed. Yes, children, very easy. Take the puffed rice, cut the onion, carrot, green chili, all you put it and mix it. Mustard oil little bit, green chili powder, cumin powder. Yes, children. And what it is? Last you should decorate with the same lemon juice and black salt and coriander leaves. Now jalmuri is ready. Understood, children? Very easy. No, this is the art of cooking. It is very easy. Today we have learned about one recipe. What it is, children? Jalmuri. In Telugu they will use they will tell something. I don't know that what they will tell. With the help of muramuralu they will do it. Okay, children? Yes. In Telugu they will tell us with puffed rice as a muramura. Okay. With that we are doing. Yes. In the streets also we will find. Okay, children, whenever you are going to any parks also, they will be keeping in the one basket and they will be selling, no? That is this, jalmuri. Okay, children, everyone will do. See, what are the ingredients? Once again, we will see the 2 cups of puffed rice, 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, 1 carrot, 2 green chilies and fresh coconut, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, a pinch of red chili, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste, a handful of syrup mix, a few sprigs of coriander, 1 lemon and black salt to taste. And process is what? Chop the vegetables in small pieces and put the puffed rice, mustard oil, mix it. After that, all vegetables you put it and mix it. Then you will be ready. And at the end, what you should do with the save mix? Save is there now. Put it, garnish it with the save and lemon juice, black salt and the coriander leaves. Then your puffed rice. Means with the puffed rice, you have done the cooking. What it is? Jalmuri is ready. Yes, children. What does one need to make a delicious dish? What they need? Everyone tell the answer. What does one need to make a delicious dish? The right mix of ingredients. What they want, children? The right mix of ingredients. What do you call cumin powder in your language? Cumin means what? Jeera powder. Yes, children. Now, where is jalmuri popular? In the eastern states of India. In the eastern states of India. Now, how many ingredients do you need to make jalmuri? How many ingredients? What will count it? Here 6 are there. Okay, children. Ingredients are 6 they are given. Okay, children? Yes. Now, read the lesson and answer the questions. Write the meanings in your classwork. Understood, children? See here once I will read. You also will read after me. Cooking is an art. We just need to get the right mix of ingredients to make a delicious dish out of them. Cooking is a lesson in patience and creativity. At the same time, cooking is so much fun. We can pick up raw materials and follow the given instructions, or we can see what the kitchen has in store and come up with a recipe of our own. Either way, cooking always develops one's taste for different kinds of dishes. Today, let us learn a simple recipe for an evening snack. Jalmuri is a very popular dish in the eastern states of India. You can commonly find street vendors selling it. It is also prepared at home as an evening snack. Jal means hot or spicy and muri is puffed rice. Here is how you can make it at home. Yes, children. Ingredients: 2 cups of puffed rice, 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, 1 carrot, 2 green chilies and fresh coconut. Now, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, a pinch of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste, a handful of save mix, a few sprigs of coriander, 1 lemon and black salt to taste. Now the process. With the help of an older person in your house, chop the onions, tomatoes, carrot, coconut flesh and green chili into tiny pieces. Take 2 cups of puff rice in a mixing bowl. Add 2 tables of mustard oil. Mix it well. Now add the chopped vegetables to the bowl and stir the mixture. Sprinkle pinches of red chili powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. Stir the mixture again. Then take smaller bowls and transfer the mixture into them. Garnish it with save mix, lemon juice, black salt and coriander leaves. Your jalmuri is ready to be served and enjoyed. Understood, children? Now we have completed our lesson number 9. Okay, children? Read the lesson and write the letters discuss and meanings. Okay, children? Everyone have done that? Do it.